Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee Beauty. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. So I was at Target and I picked up a new palette from Colourpop. It's this one right here called, I have it upside down, Forever Floral. I wanted to check out whether or not I thought the consistency was the same. Now this retailed at Target for $14. I don't know if, I can't remember. I thought these were $12, but I know prices have went up, so that's probably the new price. It's been a while since I've purchased it. I do have swatches coming for you in one of the videos. It may be at the end. I did two looks with you. I did one that was a little bit more pinky, and then this look that I'm wearing, which is definitely going more in the peach tone. So I do think you can get two kind of cool looks in here. You do have one really nice bronze shade here, which you could use all over the eye if you want and just be done. But it's got a good amount. Both of these here, these two lighter shades, are shimmer shades, okay? And then you've got two different colors you can use as a transition, this peach or the pink. And that can lead you to whether you're gonna go with a pink look or whether you're gonna go with a peach look. So I used this shade and this shade though in the pink look, but it still leaned a little bit more pink. And so I wanted to try today to see if I could create something that was definitely more along the lines of the peach look, which I did. So I'm gonna roll the two looks next so you can see, but I also wanted to show you this because today's look also has a cheek that is a little bit more peach, and I used a superschock cheek in Drop of a Hat is the color that I used. I've had this a while, so I don't know. I guess you could still get it. Now, you don't have to use a highlighter with this. It does have a little bit of a sheen. You can see, look how pretty that is, like a golden sheen to it. I did put an extra pop of color on it or highlight on it, and that is the Jaclyn Hill loose powder highlight is what I used there. So I'm going to just let the footage roll for you guys, and there's two looks coming up, and I hope you enjoy them, and then I'll meet you back at the end. Good morning, friends. So
okay, starting out with some good skincare, I have my super active capsules from Beauty Pie. Love these little things. They're small, but guys, they cover your entire face and they provide deep, nourishing moisture to my skin, which my skin needs right now. It's a little bit beat up.
It looked like it still saved the video, so I thought, well, it was fine. But then when I went to put it into my editor, it said it can't support the file format, so it just crashed. So we're going to go in today using more of the peach tones. We're going to start right here. This is the color Fluidity, like flirty, but flower, or like flower, Fluidity. And we are going to put that in as the first shade down, a little bit higher than the crease. Okay, so this is going to go a little bit more high up. Let me bring you in. This is a beautiful shade, by the way. I can see me using this shade all the time in the spring and summer for a beautiful peachy transition shade. It's stunning. It's really, really a nice color. And you can build it, as you can see. You can build it up, and it blends really quick and easy. Oh. There is like no issues with blending at all. I think I'm using a rougher brush. I'll tell you in just a second. I don't even know. Yeah, this is a rougher 16. This is, I like to use this one for the first laydown color. And actually I can use this on the second color if I want to, because it's darker and it goes well with this too. So it'll just blend nicely. So I don't really even need to switch between colors. Okay, next color we're going into is the sequin shade right here. This color is called Soft Sigh. And I am just taking this lower. Now this one I'm pushing more in the crease, just like that. I will say that with this shade, you don't really see, I'm putting the majority of the color out here, but you don't really see the shimmer. You can see a little bit of that sparkle, but not, I'm using it as a matte, not enough to make much of a difference, right? All right, my eyes are feeling a little sensitive though today. So I've tried some new products and I tried some I don't think my eyes liked yesterday. It was like an eye cream that went under and over. It was a Mary Kay one. I didn't tell the lady, but I had some trouble with the cleanser we used for skincare and the eye cream. It kind of bothered me. So
Anyway, so bear with me. Okay, so next I'm going to go into a shimmery shade all over the lid called No Faux right here. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade for the all over lid look. And this is going to be a lighter look for sure, but I wanted to stay with like our peachy tones. I would wet this, but I think my eye would be too irritated to do so today, so I can't. But if you wet it, you will get a little bit more of a metallic look, but it's so pretty either way, it doesn't really matter, honestly. Look at that, just gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Okay, so for under the eye, we're gonna go in. I'm actually, for under the eye, gonna do something a little different than I did yesterday. I am gonna start with this darker shade just on the outer corner to give us a little bit of depth, just a little. And this is a shimmer shade, but it's like bronze. And I feel like I need that under here, just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to go in under that with the soft side. Oh, the brown shade was called Posy, by the way. So now we're going to go underneath the, where am I? In soft side right here. Okay, and we're going to put that underneath Posy. Just like that, very pretty. I just wanted to stay more with like the peachy tones in today's look. All right, so now we have to do the inner corner. And we're gonna use a little brush. This is a Morphe M149, little pencil brush. These are great. Let me clean it off, it's got something on it. And we're gonna go into the color Pom Pom, which is this shade. Now this shade is also a shimmer. This one seems to have a little bit more of the golden peach shades. This one tends to be a little bit more of the pinky shades. So I used that, I think, in the last look, but I'm going to use this one here, and we're going to just pop that in the corner, just like that, push it up a little bit. We're also going to take the same shade and pop it right up here in the brow bone. And I actually did do my brows today. Well, for me, I did them. I don't usually do my brows, so it's just sort of, I bet I did them today. I used a drugstore, I think I have it right here, Brow Stylist Kabuki Blender by L'Oreal. That's what I use. So I ran the creamy pencil side just lightly through it, and then there's a brush, and you can brush it through. So, and I think I didn't do the inside corner here. We need to do this one. I always like to pull it up because I feel like that's a nice bright color, and it just sort of opens your eyes a little bit. You can blend it as much or as little as you want. I mean, if you want to leave it so that it's a line that people can really see, you can do that, like these. All right, I'm going to take that like I did here and just go under here and bring a little brightness under the eye. Just like that. All right, so that's the look. Very quick and simple, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put some liner and lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, here is the final eye look. It's really pretty. Just super simple. On my lips, I have Gerard Cosmetics matte lipstick in the color Serenity. I am throwing this on. This is by Sophia and Mabel it's a fruit lip oil in yuzu. This is a little bit of a thicker gloss, and I think it'll moisturize my lips, but not have my lipstick going all up in my crack. So I'm gonna try it for that, because my lips are dry and they need moisture. All right, on my cheeks, I have the, oh, I put it away, hold on. I have the Colourpop blush in the color Drop of a Hat. It's a Superschock Cheek. I'm gonna darken it because my highlight and powder and everything else I did kind of blended this beautiful color away a little bit. So I powdered, I highlighted, I sprayed,
and I blended. So anyway, so this is the color Drop of a Hat, and it is a Super Shock by Colourpop. My highlight that I have on today, right here you can see, and on my nose, is the Jaclyn Hill loose powder in the color Extra. Extremely powerful. Be careful if you use it. You just need a tiny bit. All right, and then the foundation that I have on today is the Nars foundation, which I'm almost out of. This is in the color Fiji. Okay, so that's the more of my summer color. So that's what I have on today. Ignore this. I've got baby hairs coming in. I need to clip those up or spray them up, or I don't know. My hair's not gonna probably stay up all day. I just threw it up to do my face. So anyway, I'm gonna stop playing with my hair because you don't care. Anyway, I am happy with this look. Let me back up. I think it looks nice. I definitely will keep this little palette. This is a good palette. I just bought this one. I've used it 2 or 3 times. I really like it. So the next look you're going to see is more of a pink inspired look. I hope you guys enjoy. That's coming right up. And that one will just be set to music because I did the whole thing. I'm going to speed it up, but you're going to see all the products I used in that one. Okay? So have a wonderful day, guys. I'll see you at the end of the video.
Okay, friends, that is the end. I hope you enjoyed both looks, both the pink version and more of the peach version that I have on today. It's been fun doing these looks. This is a good palette. I would highly recommend it. And for 14 bucks, if you like pinks and peaches for the summer, you really can't go wrong. Beautiful, beautiful palette. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you pick it up. Bye.